Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, I'm Shama from Happy Living Now, where we take on a holistic approach to helping you design a life that you love. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how I use the 3-point rotation in two different ways. I'm going to show you the regular old way, and I'm going to show you another way that I've developed to use on my hair. And quite honestly, I interchange between the two methods and I find that they both work just fine. So if you want to see how I go ahead and use the 3-point rotation in two different ways to interlock my hair, keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've parted my hair and I have interlocked most of my hair on both sides and all around, and I left this last row here that I'm about to do so you can see how I interlock my hair using the 3-point rotation. Now I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do the 3-point rotation. And I recently did a video going more in depth explaining the 3-point rotation and how I do it when I was combining my locks. So if you want to see that video for a more in-depth explanation on the 3-point rotation, go ahead and check it out right up here and down in the description box below as well. But I'm going to show you two different methods that you can use to do the 3-point rotation. So I have my row right here, and I definitely wanted to make sure that I finish my locks because tomorrow is wash day. So it's taken me about 2 weeks to really interlock my hair between the back and the front and work and everything else going on. So I'm gonna put my hair away, just make sure that everything is away. Okay, and then I have my, okay, and then I have my rows here. As you can see, it's not tightened, and I'm just gonna be separating my locks. Okay, and make sure you clip your hairs away so it doesn't get in the way of the lock that you're working on. Alright, so I'm going to show you the regular 3-point rotation. Again, for a more in-depth discussion on how you can do the 3-point rotation, go ahead and check out the video linked in the cards above. But for my 3-point rotation, I'm gonna go in 6, 9, 12 and keep going that way. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of growth. This is about maybe 2-3 months worth of growth, because I think the last time I interlocked was probably sometime in January. I don't remember. So this is quite a lot of growth. Let's see if I can zoom it. Okay. Angle you guys a bit here. Just want to make sure my hair, my parting is straight, and any loose hairs, I'm gonna wrap that around the lock. Okay. Now my tool. Here goes in my tool. Right. Okay. I hope I'm in focus. I want to make sure I'm in focus. Okay, I'm gonna go in from 6. So the direction I'm working in, this is 12 because I want my hair laying down this way. So I'm gonna work around the clock 6, 9, 12. Here. That's the entry point. Okay. So I'm gonna keep doing that. So that's one way you can do the 3-point rotation. Again, you can enter in 3 different points. As long as you enter in 3 different points, it doesn't matter the direction. So now I'm gonna show you another way. I'm trying to see if I have one with a bigger base. I'm gonna show you the other way that you could do it. Still entering in 3 points, but instead of going up, north, east, south, or 6, 9, 12, I'm gonna go in diagonally. So let's bring it in. All right, so again, my locks is falling this way, but instead of going how I went the last time, I'm gonna go in diagonally. So I'm gonna go in this way, that way. Let's see, pretty much I'm making, so I want to go in diagonally. I'm gonna go up that way, this way, and down that way. Technically I'm making an X and then an insert in the middle at 12 to lay it down, and that's my 3 points. I hope that made sense. Okay, so again we're making an X. So I'm gonna enter, I want to make sure that you're seeing this. I'm gonna enter diagonally from here, go up across, then I'm gonna enter, I want to make sure I'm entering the right spots. I'm gonna be checking my mirror. Diagonally from here, and then down the center. Don't know if I'm in focus. Do it again. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing that on the rest of my hair, and then I'll come when I'm closer at the front to show you again. Okay, so I have 2, that's 2 remaining, and I'm gonna show you again how I do the diagonal 3 points. Okay, so so we're gonna go up that way, diagonal, and then down in the middle. Up. As you can see, I'm not entering smack in the middle. If I were, it would be this way. If I was entering straight in the middle, it would be here, but I'm not. I'm going at an angle. That way. Same thing with here. At an angle. And then down the middle. Okay. Last one. Gonna wrap those strands around. diagonal, down diagonal, and down the center. Alright, so that's how I interlock my hair using 3-point rotation. I've just showed you 2 different ways you can use the 3-point rotation to interlock your locks. And to be honest, I alternate between the 2 methods throughout my head. Okay, so my hair is all done. Tomorrow is wash day, so alright. This month is the 9th month, so I'm in my 9th month since having my locks installed, and I am loving them so far. So let me go ahead and give you a 360. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or video requests, definitely drop them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet already, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thank you guys again for watching. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys next time.